Guys, meron pala ako nabili rito luggage. That is a cabin size made from polycarbonate materials. Also this handle is made from aluminums. Ayan po guys, ang brand niya is Montblanc. Yan, kita nyo po. Meron siyang TSA, lock, and 3 combination number. Yan po, nakita nyo emblem ng Montblanc. At saka meron siyang luggage tag na made from leather. Tapos, meron din siyang protection in each corner. And zipper. Meron din protection zipper niya na halos hindi mo na makita yung zipper niya. Tapos yung wheel niya, ano na rin pala yan, 360 wheels. 4 wheels po guys yan. Tapos yan po, mayroon po siyang battery compartment. As you can see there, buksan ko yan. Pwede mo pong ilagay yung mo dyan, portable power bank. So, while you waiting your flight, you can charge your mobile device. And this handle also is made from leather. No, it's not that one. That is telescopic handle. Ayan po yung telescopic handle niya. Made from aluminum materials. And guys, what I'm talking is, ito yung sinasabi kong protection plastic. And almost the zipper, almost you cannot see the zipper. And also this is the, guys, this is the, what I'm talking, this handle. You see? This Montblanc brand engraved. This is made from leather. And also look at the wheel. Oh, very nice. Ayan po yung luggage tag niya. Made from leather also yan. As you can see this guys, there is a lock, combination lock. TSA lock also. Ayan, nice. Wow. No guys, 360 four wheels yan Not four wheel drive. Okay. Look at that Montblanc. Meron din siyang Montblanc na tatak sa tire niya. Tire yan. Yung mags niya wala. Tire lang. Pero yung sa iba, Pirelli tires. Yung nakita ko, special limited edition yun. Ito yung loob niya nga pala. Tingnan mo yung loob niya It's made from, yung niya, cover niya, made from net with the zipper. And also, napakasimple lang. Ayan, pwede ilagay natin dyan. And meron siyang strap also. Guys, yung price niyan, check nyo lang sa website ng Montblanc. That's it. Maraming salamat na lang sa panonood. Bye-bye!